All right, so I'm going to try to find the cheapest price for a DVD using the ShopSavvy app. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on my applications icon and bring up my list of applications. I'm going to scroll down and find ShopSavvy. It's going to be the icon with the barcode on it. I'm going to tap on it. It's going to open up our ShopSavvy app. This is the main screen. It has a list of scans near you that you can look through, your deals, your history, your lists, and then most importantly, the scan a barcode button. So I'm going to go ahead and scan a barcode. Tap on that. It's going to bring up our camera view. There we go. So it's going to bring up our product screen. As you can see, we've correctly identified this DVD as the Lion King. It's going to give us a good picture of the product right here. It's going to go ahead and list our online and local prices. It's going to tell us that we have 49 online prices, 50 local prices. It's also going to give us a list of reviews. We can save this item to a list, or we can look at more photos of the product by clicking photos in the bottom right corner. If we want to edit the product, there's an edit button right here that we can click, or if we want to scan another barcode, there's a scan barcode button right there. So here we have our list of local stores. At the top, you can see that we have a toggle between list and map. In the list view, what we're going to get is a list of all of our local chains and the prices that they have them at. You can also see that there's a little blue dot by some of these merchants, and what that blue dot tells us is that they have the item in stock. If you go ahead and click on one of the chains, we'll click on Best Buy. It's going to bring up the list of actually all the Best Buys near you, so you can see that we have the address and then our in-stock icon. If you click on one of the specific stores, it's going to bring up a dialog that gives you several options. You can call the store, you can get directions, you can go to their website, you can share this deal, or you can hit the price matching policy. If you click on the price matching policy for Best Buy, it's going to go ahead and tell us that Best Buy might match the prices that they find online. Now this is really important because if they don't, you might not necessarily get it at the cheapest price that you can find it. Let's see. We also have a share option, which will bring up our share dialog, which will allow you to tell your friends via email or by Twitter about this offer. The website takes you to the Best Buy website. And then, of course, directions will go ahead and bring up your GPS navigation to the store. And, of course, you can call them. Okay, so we're going to use our ShopSavvy app to find the cheapest price for the Lion King DVD. So the first thing that we're going to do is click on our applications drawer, which is this little icon here on the bottom. It's going to bring up our list of applications. We're going to scroll through until we find the ShopSavvy icon, which is right here. It's a little price tag with a red scanner line going through it. We're going to tap on that. It's going to bring up the main screen. Here we have a big button that's scan a barcode, so we're going to go ahead and tap on that. It's going to bring up our scan screen, which you can see has a red line through it, just like your scanner at a grocery store. So we're going to go ahead and place our barcode with the red line going across it, and it's going to scan our barcode. Once it scans the barcode, it's going to bring up our product screen, which tells us everything that we want to know about the product. It's got our title, so we know that we have the right one. It has a big picture to make sure that we have the right product as well. It's also going to give us our online, local prices along with reviews. Tap on any of those to view the local and online prices, and then we have an edit button that we can tap to edit the product. So we have our product screen, and you'll notice in the top right corner we have a little edit button. If you tap on it, it's going to bring up our edit screen, and this is going to allow you to change the picture for our product, change the title for it, add a store, or add a price. So if we wanted to change a picture for a product, we simply tap on the change picture button. You can either select from pictures that you've already taken, or you can take another picture. All right, so we're going to show you the wallet feature now. So if we go ahead and tap on online prices, you're going to see that the first price in our list has this blue button in the row. And what the blue button means is that we can buy this with the ShopSavvy wallet. So if we go ahead and tap on it, it's going to bring up this dialog. And this dialog is going to tell you how much it's going to cost you for the product along with shipping. So you can see there's subtotal, shipping, tax. It tells us that our total is going to be $34.61. Now since I don't have a ShopSavvy wallet, it's going to go ahead and tell me that I don't, and to go ahead and check out. So this is now going to prompt us to create a ShopSavvy wallet account. The first thing we have to do is put in an email. So we'll say we are testguy@shopsavvy.com. Tester guy. Test guy. Yeah. The next button is going to appear in the top right corner. We'll click on that. Now we're going to have to set up a passcode. This is kind of like your ATM pin. It's just a quick 4-digit password that we can use to buy things with. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 again to confirm it. Now it's going to go ahead and tell us that we've logged in, and it's going to turn back around. So now we have a little bit more options on this screen. We have shipping, address, and payment options. If you click on shipping, it's going to tell us we can either use standard shipping or express shipping. If we want to change it, we'll just click on express shipping. As you'll see, it'll flip back around and recalculate our shipping, so you can now see that our shipping is $4.99 and our cost is a little bit more. Now we'll have to add an address to ship to, so we'll tap on that row. It'll give you standard address fields. I live at 123 Fake Street. And we'll go ahead and say that that's in Dallas, Texas, and 75206. Click on the top right corner to save. It'll save our address, and it'll once again go through and try to update our shipping if it needs to. So our address is now set to 123 Fake Street. The next thing I have to do is add a payment. So I'll click on my payment row, and I'll put in my credit card number, which is 4 followed by lots of ones. Put in a security code of 123. Click next to go to the next screen. We'll have to put in an expiration date. My card expires in November of 2015. We'll have to put in our name and phone number. My name is Brian. And my phone number is 214-111-1111. Next button will light up again. Now we have to add a billing address. If I've already entered my billing address as my shipping address, it'll go ahead and show up right here. So we'll click on that. It'll save our payment system. So now we have all of our stuff filled out. We have a shipping rate, a address to ship to, and a payment. Now our little button down here has changed to slide to pay. If we go ahead and slide that, it'll flip over and ask us to put in our password that we put in earlier to confirm that we are actually who we say that we are. So mine was 1234. It'll place our order. There we go. So now we'll go ahead and say that we've paid $34.61 for the Lion King to Barnes & Noble. It'll give us a little note that it's going to go ahead and send me a confirmation email at my email address. And then we just simply click go back to shopping, and we're right back to where we started. All right, so we're going to go ahead and buy the Lion King with our ShopSavvy wallet. So we'll tap on our online prices. Our quick pay item will be right at the top. We'll tap on that. It'll bring up our screen that tells us what our shipping and total is. We'll slide to pay. We'll enter in our PIN number. It'll go ahead and place our order. Say that we paid $34.61 to Barnes & Noble, and then we'll go right back to shopping.